Hello friends, welcome to Programming Concepts. My name is Amit and this is part 77 of the ASP.NET Core MVC tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to apply console log formatting with the help of a configuration file in ASP.NET Core. This is a continuation of part 76, console log formatting in ASP.NET Core, so please watch it before proceeding to this one. I shared the link in the description. In our last video, we implemented these three logs formatter available in ASP.NET Core programmatically. In this video, we will implement it via the appsetting.json configuration file. Let's go to the Visual Studio. And this is the project which we are working with. Let's comment these lines responsible to register log formatter. And let's go to the appsetting.json file. As we are working with the console log formatter, let's quickly add another section within logging called console. Just copy and paste the log level section. We will be going to use the same log level for the console as well. Let's specify a formatter name. So our first formatter is simple. So formatter name colon simple. Then formatter options. As it will be a class type, so curly braces. Let's use timestamp format colon HH in caps colon mm colon SS within the square bracket and space. And then let's use color behavior colon disabled. This is what we covered in our last video. So let's quickly run our application and see what happened. See, we get the required log in single line with time and without color. Let's quickly use the systemd formatter. Just replace simple with systemd. And systemd doesn't support single line and color behavior. Delete them and execute our program. And we get the required format as per the systemd formatter. Last but not the least, let's quickly use JSON formatter. Change systemd to JSON. And then set indented to true. So JSON writer options colon, then curly braces and then set indented to true. And that's it. Let's run our application. And you can see we have similar output that we have seen in our last video. Simple, extremely simple. So we successfully implemented all three formatter via the configuration file. So that's it from this video. Hope you like our content. If you have any queries related to the content of this video, do ask me in the comments. Thanks for watching.